So now the next section, our last section in arithmetic, is mean and median. So please read 422 to 424, and we're going to go over problems 1, 3, 6, and 9.
So, welcome back. Let's look at page 422. You should have read 422 through 424. And let's start at the bottom of page 422 where it says mean and median. Read along with me. The mean is the arithmetic average. It is the sum of the variables divided by the total number of variables. For example, the mean or average of 4, 3, and 8. 4, 3, and 8 divided by the number of values would be 15 over 3, which is 5. So look at the answer there at the bottom of page 422 and you'll see 5. Now, look on the top of page 423, you'll find a problem that's very similar to the type you will encounter on the GED. It says, problem, find the mean salary for 4 company employees who make $5 an hour, $8 an hour, $12 an hour, and $15 an hour. So let's work this one out. We have 4 values, 5, 8, 12, and 15. And we have 4 of them, so we want to divide by 4. Now with your calculator, add 5, 8, 12, and 15 and see what you get. You should have gotten 40. So the answer is 40 over 4, or 10. The answer is 10. And in this problem, the answer would be $10 per hour. Because it asked for the mean salary, or the average salary. Okay? Now, for the median. The median is the middle value in a set when there is an odd number of values. There is an equal number of values larger and smaller than the median. When the set is an even number of values, the average of the 2 middle values is the median. For example, the median of 2, 3, 5, 8, and 9 is the middle number. Two numbers on the left, 2 numbers on the right. The middle number is the median of this particular problem. What if you have an even number of values? Let's try this one. We want to find the median of the following values. They're in the middle of the page on 423. 2, 3, 5, 9, 10, and 11. Looks confusing, but it's really not. What we want to do is add the 2 middle values, 5 plus 9, and divide by 2. That would be 14 divided by 2, which is 7. So your answer there, find the median, is 7. Now, you should have tried on the next page, on page 424, you should have tried 1, 3, and on page 425, 6 and 9. Let's work those together. Number 1 on page 424. Directions. Find the mean or the average of each set of numbers. 18, 25, and 32. Okay, first thing I want to do is get my trusty calculator and add them all up. And divide by the number of values. 3. There are 3 values there. So we get 75 over 3, which is 25. Your answer is 25, choice B for number 1. Number 3, we want the average of 97, 102, 116, and 137. Remember, you may use your calculator for this portion of the test. So let's try it. 97, 102, 116, and 137. That would be 452 divided by 4. Which would be 113. You notice it took me less than 1 minute to perform that operation on my calculator. That's what I want you to do. Try and spend no more than 1 minute on each of the arithmetic problems. Now let's take a look at page 425. On 425, you were asked to do problem number 6 and number 9. Find the median value of each set of numbers. The first one is 3, 8, and 6. It's an odd number of values, so it's the middle value. I'm sorry. What you want to do first is put them in order. That would be 3, 6, and 8. Now take the middle value, which is 6. So the answer to number 6 on page 425 is choice B. Number 9. Find the median of 29, 18, 21, and 35. First, you want to put them in order. 18's first, 21, 29, and 35. Notice we have an even number of values, so what we have to do is add 21 and 29, which is 50, divided by 2, and we get 25. 25 is the median. Choice E. Now, that concludes DVD number 5, arithmetic, and remember, it's 50% of the exam. So if you have a problem with any of the problems we discussed, go back, rewind this DVD, and study them again.